Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, March the 10th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic with 4 stars. And this one you are interested. 4 stars Sudoku. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. This will be number 6093. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers in the puzzle. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 4 twos. Alright, 4 twos. 2 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 1 6, 4 sevens, 2 eights, and 3 nines. So the 2s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with 2? Yeah. No. Yeah. 2 in this column. Third column. 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, here 2 in that row, no 2 there, so the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Let me see for the 7, 7, 7, okay. 7, 7, 7, no. 7 will be difficult. So, yeah. Will be difficult. Yeah, 7. Well, need to wait. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5. It should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Yeah. Need a 9 there. 9 in this column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of them missing number is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, or there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 3 boxes in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Wait. 9, 9. 9, 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in the third row. No 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 2, 4, 9, 6, 6, 6. Wait, 8, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last row. No 8 in these two boxes here. An 8 in this column. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Shoot it there. 8, 8. Yeah. Need a 7 there. 9, 2, 5. 9, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be down. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 5 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box, 5 in this row. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. All right. Let me think. The 7. 7. 1 and 6. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be down. 9. Okay. 9. Well, it will be difficult. 9. The 7. 7. Um, 3, 7, 8. 7, 3, 7, 8. 1 and 8. Oh. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. 1, 2, 3, 6. and 8. 3, 6, and 8. No 8 there. 8, 8. 8, 8. 3. And a 6. 3 and 8. 1, 1. 1, 6. And a 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 1, 1. 6, 6. Yeah. No 6. Alright. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1, 1. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Yeah. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay, cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 9. How about the number? Yeah. 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Oh, wait. We have a 3 and a 6 up here. Yeah. 3 and a 6 in this row. First row. 3 and a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. And the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next to that column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And I need a 1 in this column here. Here can be a 1 because we have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in the row above, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this column should be there. Alright, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, okay. Then. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. Yeah. Seven in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about 8 in this row? 8 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the 6. We have 8 now in the second column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For us, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last row. 6 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. 4 and the 7. Oh, right. 3 and 6. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Okay. 3, 3. 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. 2 missing numbers here. The 3 and the 6 in this column. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Then 3 and 4. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 and 7, we have a 4 now in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 6 goes there, yeah. Completed in 18 minutes. Well, 18 minutes. I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. 18 minutes. Well, 2 stars. Yeah. Not a 4, not a 3 stars. Faster than the previous Sudoku. Alright. Thank you again. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.